Welcome back to my channel. This is Olivia Hart and I'm so happy to see you here again. For those who are new, I am an experienced trader who shares tips, signals, and glimpses of my personal life in my Telegram channel. While reviewing my notes after the last video, I came across one of the simplest strategies with an impressive 85% rate success, and I decided to record a video to share it with you. It's really easy to grasp even if you are a complete beginner, so let's dive in. As always, we'll start with a quick setup. It's the foundation of the strategy. So for this one, we will be using a 10-second time frame. And for the indicators, today we are using Donchian channels and RSI. We will leave these settings at default, but double check that the RSI period is set to 14 and let me find the signal. Then I will explain the details. Here we go, and I am placing a $500 trade for an upward move. So you're probably wondering how I knew that it was the right moment to open a trade for an upward move. Okay, it might look confusing at first, but look, our trade is already in the green and we just need to wait a little longer. So notice how the RSI is climbing upward. And there we have it, our first $460 profit for this video. So be sure to watch until the end so you fully understand how it all works. This one was straightforward. The price rebounded off the lower boundary of the channel and the RSI confirmed it. Here's another opportunity, a $5 trade for an upward move. Guys, let's break it down. So we see a bounce of the lower boundary of the channel, but if you look closely, this has happened before. So why did I open the trade here? The RSI gave us the confirmation. So when the RSI line bounces off the oversold zone, it signals a price increase, and that's exactly what's happening on the chart. Just I predicted, the price is moving up and I have just earned another $460. Insane. The profit is growing, so let's keep going. Okay, here is a potential signal and just waiting for RSI confirmation. We are in a 500 trade for an upward move and you can already see the price hitting down, but let's go over the details. The upper boundary of the channel has flattened and the price is starting to drop, but that alone isn't enough. So the RSI downward direction confirmed the signal. I'm expecting a strong and confident price decrease. And that's exactly what's happening. The price is falling and the RSI line has exited the overbought zone. So another $460 added to the balance. Now for the final trade of the session, I will also be a downward move. Beyond the standard signals like the bounce from the channel boundary and the RSI's decline, there is something else on this chart. And it's a resistance level. This makes this signal not just reliable but rock solid. And never underestimate the power of technical analysis. And there it is, a predicted price drop that brings another $460. What an incredible signal, guys. For such a simple strategy, closing all 4 trades in profit and earning $1,840, it's an excellent result. So always, if you have any questions or if you need any help, just drop your questions in the comments or text me on the Telegram. I will be happy to assist you, and see you in the next video.